Hello guys, today we will discuss about with one of the famous interview question. Uh, that is, we have to split the customer name into first name, middle name, and last name. Let's look into this. So I have created the table, simple table. So let's execute this customer. So here I have taken as the customer name Vijay space Kumar. So Vijay as the first name, Kumar as the middle name. If two keywords are there, we consider as first name and middle name. If three keywords are there, then we consider as first name, middle name, and last name. If one keyword is there, we consider it as the first name. So let's find the first. I will go in this as first the number of spaces we have to find. Like first, I have to replace the spaces to I want to count the number of characters. So first to select from customers. Here I will write as in like replace customer name, comma, spaces I will remove. Then as replace name. So let's execute. Okay. If I consider it as star, comma, okay. So if you look into this, the replace name is I have removed first the spaces. The first keyword, first name, space. In the first letter, one space. Second letter, two spaces. Those spaces I have removed. Now I will calculate with the length and length of customer name minus this REP name I will do. So then we will get the number of spaces. So let's do replace. Now I will write as len of length of customer name minus length of replace, and this one will close. Now we will get the length. So the spaces. So spaces is this one will give us a number of spaces. If I execute, so number of spaces are, so first row one space, second row two spaces, third row zero space. Now we will do like uh, what the first two space position, second space position we had to find. So first space position called as, for example, Vijay. After then first space. So then we will split this first space, second space we had to find. So let's go with char index. Char index. Char index of first we'll consider it as space, comma, customer name as first space position. Char index of this one. So if I run this, yeah. So if you look into the first space position is 6, first row. So Vijay is the the index is counts starting from 1. So after 5, the space is 6th position. Similarly, we can find with the second space position. Second space position is, so here I will write as, so second space means first space plus 1 as the second space position will get. So if I copy this first space position, comma, plus 1, then this one as second space position. If I execute, so if you get the second space is 0, the second row, second space is 14th. Now this one will save it as in the CTE, with the CTE as this one. Okay. Now I will write select from CTE, select to star. Okay. Now, so now we will get first customer name as usual. Then the first name, middle name, and last name. So first to, in the case, we'll write take as case when number of spaces is 0. When number of spaces equal to 0, then customer name. Then customer name. Else, so here we will go with two functions. One is the substring and left2. So first I will write with the substring. Substring. So in substring, customer name, comma 1, first space, comma first space position -1. And as first name. Okay. So if I run this, okay, so first name we will get as Vijay, Vishal, and Michael. The same thing we'll write as left function also. I copy else. So in place of substring, we'll write as left of customer name, comma. So here we'll write this one, first name, first space position -1. So this one also working, same thing. Okay. Now we will get middle name. So if we write another case, or else copy this the entire thing. Case. So when number of spaces are less than or equals to 1, then null. So in this case, first to case null we consider. Else substring customer name, comma first space position +1, comma second space position minus first space position. So what we are doing here, I will tell the point. substring customer name, first space position plus one. So first space position plus one is, so we will get the middle name. But another option is comma second space position minus first space position. So that we'll get the middle name. And as middle name. So now we'll execute this. Okay. So second middle name is Kumar, null, Pratap, and null. Next to third one, we'll consider it as case. Let's copy this one. So here multiple cases is there. We'll write case when number of spaces equals to 0, then null. Else first we'll write the another option when number of spaces equal to 1, then substring. So here we'll consider first customer name, comma first name, first space position plus 1 as usual, comma length of customer name length of customer name minus first space position, this one. Then another case when number of spaces equals to 2, equal to 2, then substring customer name comma second space position plus 1, comma again we'll write as length. So this one also second space position. Here we'll write second space position. Okay, and close. And as last name. Okay. So this one will consider it as last name. Okay. Let's execute. Okay, right. So if we look into this, the first name, middle name, and last name. So everything will come. Okay. So this is the by using here, what are all the functions we have to use? So one is the length function, replace, char index, and substring. So by using these functions, we had to uh, split the name into first name, middle name, and last name. Okay. Thank you. So try your end any alternate solution and comment in the chat. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.